Welcome! If you want to stay on top of your Instagram broadcast channels and never miss a reply-like notification, I'm here to guide you through the updated steps to turn them on. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the icon. That's the menu button where you'll find more options. Next, from the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram lets you customize your experience, including notifications. Scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications to access all your alert preferences. Inside Notifications, find and tap on Messages. This section controls how you get notified about direct messages and interactions within channels. Now, look for the option labeled Broadcast Channel Reply Likes. When you find it, simply select On to enable notifications whenever someone likes a reply in your broadcast channels. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll be instantly notified when your replies in broadcast channels get liked, helping you stay engaged and connected with your audience. Remember, keeping these notifications on can enhance your interaction experience, especially if you manage or follow active broadcast channels. So, open Instagram, follow these steps, and enjoy a more interactive and responsive community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your settings regularly to keep up with Instagram's latest features and updates.